Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex 16-foot by 48-inch Ultra XTR frame pool set with pump, 2-pack. At 16 feet in diameter, and with all of the accessories you'll need for a great summer in the sun, the Intex 16-foot by 48-inch Ultra Frame swimming pool set with filter pump is easy to assemble and maintain. Comes with 2 pools total. This convenient swimming pool set includes a ground cloth, debris cover, ladder, and a Krystal Clear 110 to 120 V, 1200 GPH sand filter pump to keep your water clean and safe. Product benefits: durable, above-ground pool designed for fun and relaxation. Contemporary design adds beauty to any backyard thanks to a dark gray laminated pool liner, brilliant white copings, and blue tile print interior. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.